I was watching a stream and I heard something and I couldn't believe that nobody in the chat was laughing at it. Hold on. Watch this. Watch this.
So what that mean? But what if I don't
Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. That wasn't fake. And nobody in the chat laughed. Nobody in the chat laughed. This is from Jay Cinco's VOD. I was tuning it. I'm like, how the fuck?
Chat, is Halloween spirit? Is that not a good place? Oh, a ski mask.
At what point does the amount of melanin in your DNA prevent you from hearing that fucking noise? How is that possible? How do you not hear that going off every 30 seconds always?